place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. This cup is from Rainbow Lady World. I had plugged you guys some time back. So today I'm cleaning sinks. I usually have different days where I do different chores in the house. So I'm cleaning the main sink and the master sink for today. So normally I combine with the toilet, but I think because I have very minimal time, I just want to clean the sinks, and I thought to share with you guys also just to show you how you can maintain a clean white sink even if you're using salty water, because where we stay the water is borehole water and it's salty, so sometimes the sink can really get a lot of stains, especially at the bottom part. But there's a way I have mastered to clean it, and it usually comes out very clean, and I thought maybe I can share with you guys. You never know, you can learn something. So let's go on ahead and start this video. So this is the main sink in the main area. This is how it's looking right now. It's not so dirty. I think I cleaned it recently, but you can see there's like marks and stains on the side. Then there's also the mirror, which looks really dirty, and that's me. Hi. So we're going to be cleaning this sink. Then I'm going to show you another one that we're cleaning that I haven't cleaned for a while, so you're going to see the difference. So this is the other sink. This one is quite dirty. I haven't washed this sink for quite a while, guys. Wow, you can even see like these stains on the side. Also here where I put the soap, and then also here just around the sink area, you can just see how dirty it is. I've not washed this sink for a while, so I want to show you guys how I normally, what detergents I use to make sure the sink is sparkling white after I finish cleaning. So you guys, as you can see there before, there's those stains on the side, there's those stains on the sink area, and there's those stains on this place where we place the soap. And of course the mirror is looking horrible but yeah, I'm going to clean and then I show you guys how it looks after. So for my cleaning products, I only use 3 products. I love this Attila toilet cleaner. It's a very nice detergent, especially for stains that are stubborn. Even in your toilet, there's that circle that forms at the bottom. If you use this, you will see quite a huge difference. I usually mix it with the Rush scoring powder, the lemon Rush. Also gives it a very sparkling and shiny look after we've cleaned. And then I also add a little bit of disinfectant. I normally use the Roberts to disinfect, and that's it. This is just the soap that stays here, so that's fine. But I wanted to show you guys the products that I use, how I mix them. I usually soak the sinks for like 30 minutes, and you make sure you give it like 30 minutes so that it really holds, and then now we come and clean.
Shelter to hide when everything is a lie. You'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces.
So we are done soaking the first sink. I want to soak the second one. This is the one that is the most stained, and it's because I haven't cleaned it in a while. So I'll just go ahead and soak it, and then I'll show you guys how it looks after we soak. Then we'll give it like around 30 minutes to completely absorb the bleach and make sure that it's clean, and then we come back and clean it completely.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse.
So guys, this is how it looks after you soak. Basically just you make sure you mix, because if you leave the bleach with lines, it normally leaves lines on the sink. So you want to balance and make sure imeshika kila mahali. So this is how it looks. We'll give it 30 minutes and then we'll come back and scrub it, and then we'll see how clean it is after that. This is the other main sink, the same thing, giving it 30 minutes. Normally for this key thing at the bottom, I usually just wipe it because it's a bit smooth, so it's easy to maintain the cleanliness. And then I make sure I scrub the upper part, so I'll also show you guys how it looks after.
Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
Hey guys, so we are done. I wanted to show you the final result. So this is how the sink looks. You can see the areas that had stains. I'm sorry if it's shadowy, it's because of the light I'm using, but you can just see how clean the sink is. I think mostly sinks stain on these areas and this round part, and that circle that forms when you place your soap in these areas. But I really like the combination I use because it completely cleans the sink and leaves it white. I love white clean sinks. I just feel like they really look good and clean and maintained. That's our mirror. Msijali, kwa nyumba tunafanya kazi. But yeah, so the mirror is also clean. I usually use, I'll show you guys what I use for the mirrors, but mirrors you can just clean even with clean water. This one has detergents to remove. But yeah, that's how our guest sink looks. So I've washed the bottle that usually has the soap. Then once it dries, I'm just going to put it back there. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I think what I use usually works. Then for that custard, I told you guys I usually just wipe it. So this is the other sink that was really dirty and messy. I had left this sink dirty for such a long time, but you can see after soaking it with the ingredients I've just shown you, are they called ingredients? Or the products that I use, you've seen that it actually works. The sink is completely clean. The circle that had formed at the bottom has just left this stain, so I think when I soak it for the second time, it should clear that out. The place where we had placed the soap has completely turned white, so that has worked with the first soaking, and also the lines that you could see here have also cleared. So these products have always worked for me. When I use that mix, it automatically gives me a clean white sink. Yeah, so I hope you guys can try it out, whether you're using salty water or just normal clean water. If your sink has those stains that usually form here when you use it after a long time, you can try using the mix that I've shown you, and then you let me know if the results have worked for you. That's also the mirror here. Yeah, so this is the product that I use to clean my mirrors. It's a window cleaner, the Topex lavender one, multi-purpose. I really love it. It ends up giving the mirror a clean shimmery look. As you can see, it's very clean. So this is what I use. Also, another good practice that my mom taught me is when you finish cleaning the sink, normally you just boil hot water and then you pour it inside the sink. What that does, it gets rid of any hair residue, any paste that has been stuck in the sink. Normally when you're brushing or when you're combing your hair, it helps get rid of that, so the sink will not have any odors, and also it will not clog easily. So I think that's a good tip that we can add to this video. Yeah, that's it, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you've learned something on how you can clean your sinks. I also use the same regime for cleaning my toilets, and it usually leaves them clean. So I hope that you've learned something today. If you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Jane. I love creating content around basically anything to do with lifestyle, and I really appreciate that you have chosen to be here with us. Yeah, so that's it for today's video, guys. See you next week and have a nice weekend. Bye.
Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive